Does it smell like cigarette smoke in here?
No.
Yes or no?
Well, it smells better, but it doesn't smell like that.
I bombed the car today. You know what a bomb is? Like you set off in the house? Nope. Like a bug bug? But this for the car though, it wasn't a bug bug.
I don't know.
It's a can that you click and then it just spray every damn where until it stops till there's nothing else in the can. On its own. And you know you can't be in there with it. So I had to take everything out the car and I pulled these up, put it in there, and I had to stay out the car for 15 minutes with the car running, the air on. Then I had to come back down here and open up all the doors in the trunk and let all the chemicals out of the car. But I got some air freshener too I'm gonna put in here. I was just trying to wait. So it's gonna smell even better. I'm tripping, but I think I'm slipping in there. It's like Dolomite. It's also nobody is outside. People on the people, it's not alive. I'm slipping in there. Oh yeah, I was gonna play some Future.
Yeah, hit a plate, scrape it off the plate. Hey, gotta put the cap on it.
There you
Nigga
go.
always talking that tough shit. Nigga put a date on it. Everybody sitting at the table around here. Yeah, there's a lot of place on it.
Running through the money and the bitch keep calling. Hold up, she gon' have to wait on me. VVS diamond dripping on my t-shirt. Reach for I'ma put your face on me. Rolls Royce truck on the one cashed out for me. Still had to wait on me. Plug for the rounds in the road down county. Nigga still had to pay for it.
Pack coming in on iPhones. I'ma keep it 30 in my fault. I'ma buy a burger from my shop. Nigga did me dirty, ran off on me. Took off. Plug did me dirty, took off on me. Lil' Hilda just folded, got soft on me. I'm from the streets, you gotta pay with your life. I got away with the white, you just like your father, and he was a rat. So that mean he raising on mice, yeah. I had it trapped through the night, yeah. I put that pack on the flight, yeah. I shot on them pussies the same night. Late in the bush, it was a rainy night. Won't put no hoes on no pedestals, edibles. I'm tryna fuck them the same night. I put 2 hoes on the same flight. Cook up 10 bricks in the same pot. I shot 4 niggas the same Glock. Too many of you niggas got the same watch. Why
Right?
you compete with me, nigga? We are not playing with the same chick. It's murder, no murder for her. And that shit been stuck on my mindset. Coming in the money on fuck. Gotta put a stop on it. Yeah, hit a plate, scrape it off the plate. Hey, gotta put the cap on it. Pussy ass nigga always talking that tough shit. Nigga put a date on it. Everybody sitting at the table around here. Yeah, there's a lot of place on it.
Running through the money and the bitch keep calling. Hold up, she gon' have to wait on me. VVS diamond dripping on my t-shirt. Reach for I'ma put your face on me. Rolls Royce truck on the one cashed out for me. Still had to wait on me. Plug for the rounds in the road down county. Nigga still had to pay for it. $100,000 over iPhone. I ain't talking show money. Plug keep calling, we gon' take his ass down. That'll be some more money. Labels talking contracts, I ain't signing shit. Tell them that I know money. I used to shop with a bitch, she got them low. She kept it real with the niggas, and she get to know me better than these boogies I'm getting. I swear that I'm flooded in the city. A rap nigga better not get it, cause I run the hitters. Everywhere I go, they with me. Pat coming in on the back street. 12 ride by, nigga still keep working. Say $50,000 for a show. Knowing goddamn well, nigga still ain't working. I done told these folks that I quit. Knowing goddamn well, nigga still sip syrup. Got the trap going crazy like the first and the third. Got a lot of cash money, I can still get burned. Get away with my chain, you can still get murdered. Had a FN on me when I did this bird. Cause she so good, dick, she gon' leave with a purse. I was really in the streets, you can do your research.
Set coming in the money on fuck. Gotta put a stop on it. Yeah,
That nigga said 2 million niggas got the same damn watch.
put the cap on it.
So I said, right?
Talking that tough shit. Nigga put a date on it. Everybody sitting at the table around here.
Everybody do got the same watch. All them rappers do got the same watch though.
Money and the bitch keep calling.
It might be the same watch. They just passed it around. Never know. Can't trust it.
Rolls Royce truck on the one cashed out for me. Still had to wait on me. Plug for the rounds in the road down county. Nigga still had to pay for it.
Oh, this motherfucker done came and got in my goddamn parking spot. You son of a bitch. Oh my gosh. Bruh, I literally just left. And she done pulled up here in my damn parking spot. The fuck?
Did you have the window open?
Yes, I got both the windows open in your room. You can close them though.
I could can see the door from here.
Tell him, oh, shot.
Y'all room stink. Get him to keep it.
Know what I'm talking about?